G'day guys, welcome back. Just wanted to go over another installation, and whether it's mission impossible, we're given a allocated space on the back of this current trailer setup from an existing pressure cleaning business, and we've been asked to install a bit of SoftWash. So what we've done is installed a 12 volt SoftWash system with a V4 proportioner. So we're not batch mixing, we're dialing up the concentrations that we need on the proportioner. We have a 25 litre soap tank. We ran out of room, so the soap tank's at the front of the trailer, a 100 litre SH bleach tank around the back of the hose reel, and the 1000 litre existing water tank. So the proportioner is going to pull from the soap, pull from the water, pull from the bleach, and give us our blend that we select on the metering valves. The 12 volt Delavan pump is 26.8 litres per minute at 100 psi, and that's tucked nicely under the Summit hose reels, and you can see our hose reel lift kits, which in tight spaces like this, or if we've got sides on a trailer or ute, are able to lift the hose reel up above that. But in this case, it gives us a bit of extra room underneath the hose reel. 120 amp hour battery tucked in the battery box, an IP65 12 volt charger which is bolted on the side, so that's going to allow easy maintenance of your 12 volt battery. We have a on-off switch, so that Delavan pumps don't come with a onboard switch, so we have a remote on-off switch. We pull about 30-35 amps, so we need to get the correct wiring and the correct fuse to be able to drive this. It's quite a hefty 12 volt pump, and we also have our flush valve. So the flush valve is super important, and that's going to allow putting water back through our chem valve and our pump to flush the system, which is going to add long-term jeopardy to the 12 volt pump. So any more information about any of these systems, or if you'd like quotations or installations like this, you can see all the parts and bits and pieces at bluetongueindustries.com.au. We've got lots of videos on our YouTube channel, so if you're watching this, give it a thumbs up, but check out all the different playlists under the different genres. Southwest pressure washing. Let's give this system a functional test. 100 metres of half-inch hose. That's 26.8 litres a minute at 100 psi. It's a 25-degree fan. So nice dispersal rates. So this Delavan pump, this is a pencil jet, just over 9 metres through 100 metres of half-inch hose. Just dialed up a bit of soap through the Midwest V4 proportioning system. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.